Trip to the Eight Black Holes, The Psychopomps is the third and final chapter in the Trip to Hell and Heaven trilogy by J.M. Alvarez. Coming soon on Kindle, Amazon. Genevieve knew that she will see her father Henry again in heaven. On her deathbed waiting for her inevitable journey into the afterlife, she thought of the stories her dad told her about his near-death experience when he first died. He told her that before you can enter heaven, you have to first pass 10 tests, and failure in even one of those tests will find you thrown straight to hell. He told her about his guides, Manny the monkey and Danny the donkey. That there was an evil werewolf called Douglas who tried to fool him and lured him to hell. Where is father now? When he finally died the second time, he left no clues. But Genevieve's experience was way different from her father's. When her time finally came, she met her first guide, a beautiful Greek woman. "I am your psychopomp," said the woman. "Psychopomp? What is that?" asked Genevieve. "Your guide in the afterlife. My name is Ophim and I met your father Henry before he went to heaven." "You saw my father? Were you also his psychopomp?" said Genevieve. Ophim answered, "Oh no, I was a siren ordered by the evil werewolf Douglas to seduce your father through my dance, but your father was strong-willed, and defeated Douglas. In fact, your father was our hero because he saved me and my sister Aphea from our curse, with the help of Manny the monkey." Genevieve was elated, so everything he told us was true, but he never told us about you and your sister. Trip to the Eight Black Holes, The Psychopomps is the third and final chapter in the Trip to Hell and Heaven trilogy by J.M. Alvarez. Coming soon on Kindle, Amazon.